Tongue sign and symptoms, itchy tongue, numbness of tongue, tongue pain. Itchy tongue. Itchy tongue is generally due to heat, and this can either be external heat in the form of wind heat or heat, which may be full or empty. Itchy fire. Itchy tip or front of the tongue, burning sensation of the tongue, palpitation, thirst, mouth and tongue, ulcers, mental restlessness, feeling agitated, insomnia, dream, disturbed sleep, feeling of heat, red face, bitter taste, red tongue with breather tip, and yellow coating, overflowing rapid pulse. Heartune deficiency with empty heat. Slight itching of the tongue, especially in the evening, dry mouth and throat, palpitation, insomnia, dream disturbed sleep, poor memory, anxiety, propensity to be startled, mental restlessness. Unease, feeling hot and battered. Tears with a desire to see fluid, a feeling of heat in the evening, malar flash, night sweating, 5-bomb heat, red tongue, breather on the tip, no coating, floating empty, and rapid pulse. Heart and kidney deficiency. Itchy tongue, palpitation, insomnia, dream disturbed sleep, anxiety, poor memory, dizziness, tinnitus, hardness of hearing, lower backache, night sweating, scanty dark urine, normal colored tongue without coating, floating empty pulse. Invasion of wind heat. Itchy tongue with acute onset. Aversion to cold, fever cough, sore throat, stuff or runny nose with yellow discharge. Headache, body ache, slight sweating, slight thirst, swollen tonsils, tongue slightly red on the side in the chest area or on front part, floating rapid pulse. Numbness of the tongue. Numbness of the tongue may be due to heart blood deficiency or to the spleen Qi deficiency in full conditions. Numbness of the tongue may be due to phlegm obstructing the orifices, liver vein, or chronic blood stasis. Heart blood deficiency. Numbness of the tongue, palpitation, dizziness, insomnia, dream disturbed sleep, poor memory, anxiety, propensity to be startled, dull pale complexion, pale lips, pale and thin coating, choppy or fine pulse. Phlegm obstructing the heart. Numbness of the tongue, swollen tongue, dizziness, feeling of oppression of the chest, sputum the throat, numbness or tingling of the limbs, sticky tongue coating, slippery pulse. Liver wind, numbness of the tongue. So there is tremors. Hindi po natin tanong pag may wind, may mga movements. Severe dizziness, tinnitus, headache, tics, convulsion, rigidity of the neck, tremor of limbs, stiff neck, opestonotnus, mahirap sa banggitin, coma in severe cases, stiff moving or deviated tongue, wiry pulse. Liver vein and phlegm, numbness of the tongue, deviated tongue, severe dizziness, blurred vision, tremors, numbness or tingling of the limbs, tinnitus, nausea, sputum in the throat, a feeling of oppression of the chest, stiff or deviated, and swollen, wiry, slippery, swollen tongue, wiry, slippery pulse. Spleen Qi deficiency, numbness of the tongue, poor appetite, tiredness, slight abdominal distension, pale complexion, loose stool, pale tongue, empty pulse. Chronic blood stasis, numbness of the tongue, dark complexion, headache, chest pain, mental restlessness, abdominal pain, dark nails, purple tongue, wiry pulse. Tongue pain. Pain of the tongue is always due to heat, and the most common cause is heart fire or heart anti-heat. Heart fire. Painful tongue, especially in the teeth, tongue ulcers, palpitation, thirst, mouth and tongue ulcers, mental restlessness, feeling agitated, insomnia, dream disturbed sleep, feeling of heat, red face, bitter taste, red tongue with redder tip, and yellow coating. The pulse is overflowing and rapid. Heart deficiency with empty heat. Slight pain of the tongue, especially in the evening. So there is dry mouth and throat, palpitation, insomnia, dream disturbed, poor memory, anxiety, propensity to startle, mental restlessness, uneasiness, feeling hot and bothered, dry mouth and throat, tears with a desire to see fluid, a feeling of heat in the evening, malar flash, night sweating, 5-pound heat, red tongue, reader on tip, no coating, floating empty, and rapid pulse. Stomach fire. Painful tongue, bleeding gums. So foul breath, intense thirst with a desire to drink, cold liquids. There is burning epigastric pain, mental restlessness, dry mouth ulcer, dry stool, sour regurgitation, nausea, vomiting soon after eating. A feeling of heat, tongue red with a thick, dry, dark yellow coating. Deep pulse, deep full rapid pulse. Stomach deficiency with empty heat. Slightly painful tongue, dull or burning epigastric pain. Feeling of heat in the afternoon. So the mouth is dry and the throat, especially in the afternoon. Thirst with a desire to drink and small sip. Dry stool, slight feeling of fullness after eating. Night sweating, 5-pound heat, bleeding gums, red tongue, or red center only. Without coating in the center, floating empty and rapid pulse. Liver fire. Painful tongue thirst, bitter taste, headache, red face, dizziness, tinnitus, irritability, propensity to outburst of anger. Constipation, dark urine, red tongue with redder side, and dry yellow coating. Wiry rapid pulse. Phlegm fire harassing the heart. Painful tongue, thirst, bitter taste, sputum in the throat. So there is palpitation, mental restlessness, red face or feeling of oppression of the chest, expectoration of phlegm, insomnia, dream disturbed sleep, agitation, mental confusion, incoherent speech, rash behavior. Uncontrolled laughter or crying, shouting, depression, manic behavior, red tongue with redder swollen tip, hard crack with a sticky dry yellow coating inside it, slippery rapid or slippery overflowing rapid pulse. Thank you for your listening.